1, 2, 3.
Okay, so hi grade 8 students. So today this video will give you instruction on what are you going to do regarding the field demo. Since it was moved to April 29, we will give you instructions on what are you going to do with the flag. Sir Paga will show you a sample on how are you going to make a DIY flag.
Bulaga! Hello guys, good afternoon. So ito yung gagawin nyo doon sa DIY flag nyo guys. Halimbawa, ito yung cloth nyo. So rectangular in size. Then ito naman yung stick nyo. So ang materials lang gagamitin natin, glue gun, then glue stick. So ang unang gagawin, kunin yung glue gun, and then lalagyan nyo ng glue itong tela dito sa side na to. Then pag nalagyan na ng glue this side, so just get the stick, then put it here like this. Then gaganyan nyo lang guys. Yan. Then pasubrahan lang ng kaunti dito para ma-fold nyo. So just fold it. Then put a glue also here. Then fold it. So ito ang magiging kakalabasan ng anak. Ito yung magiging flag nyo guys. So ganyan. Alright? Or another way is, ito yung glue, ito yung stick. So lagyan nyo na ng glue dito sa stick nyo, paikot. Okay, then get the cloth. Then ilagay yung stick dito. Then put it like this. Then again, put glue here. Then fold it. This will be the plug. So ganyan yung magiging plug natin. Ganyan. Then yung mga side na to, aanahan nyo ng kandila. Susunugin ng kaunti para hindi siya masira. Alright? So yun. So pagbalik nyo sa after it, so dala nyo na para sa practice nyo during PE time kay Ma'am Brenda. Okay, clear? So have a nice day to everyone. Bye-bye.